Hello, class. Today we're going to be learning about becoming a citizen of the United States. Um, to start with, we've been talking a lot about push and pull factors, what brought people to the United States of America, and also what pushed them out of the countries that they started with. Um, We've learned about many journeys that immigrants have taken to get here, and we've learned about the two immigration centers that are on both coasts of the United States of America. Ellis Island is on the East Coast by New York City, where a lot of immigrants from Europe came, and Angel Island is on the West Coast, where a lot of Asian immigrants came from. Immigrants, when they come to the United States, are protected by the Constitution, which we know is the law of the land, but they don't have a lot of the same benefits as people born within the United States, such as voting. And until they become U.S. citizens, they won't be able to do those things. However, immigrants, after they have lived in the United States for a while, have the opportunity to become U.S. citizens. So let's go through a few of the vocabulary words that we will be learning about in this particular lesson. The first is a citizen, is a person who has rights given to them by a country's government and has responsibilities that go along with those rights. The next is a naturalized citizen, is a person who is born in another country who earns the same rights as native citizens of a different country. Next is general beliefs or rules are principles. Principles are things that we just generally believe are true and guiding forces in our lives. Rights are freedoms belonging to a person that the government cannot and should not take away. Let me pause.